Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening once again to all of you guys. And let us start with the session, sir. Let us start with the session for today. Now, this is a very special session where we'll do what? We will do very simple things. So we'll try to complete 25 questions. This is like a mock test. 25 questions. We will try to solve it as soon as possible. Right? 15 minutes meaning the class should be over within 30 minutes. Chalo, sir. So without wasting any more time, let me give you the questions and let's solve very quickly. First question right here. Find the unit digit of this particular number. Sir, 7 and 3 both don't have any shortcuts. So again, what we'll do? We'll do it normally. Sir, over here, 3 to the power 71. 68 is divisible, so this is 3 cubes, sir. Into 7 to the power 43. 42 is divisible. This is 7 to the power 1. Divisible by 4 because cyclicity for these numbers are always 4. So we are dividing what? Power by 4 and trying to find the remainder. Remainder is 3. Similarly, 43 I divide by 4. Sorry, this is also remainder 3. I don't know what I was doing. Sir, this is also remainder will be 3, sir. So put the remainder instead of the power. Calculate, sir. This is 27, 7. This is 7. This is 3. So my answer will be 1, sir. Only the unit digit. Option A is your correct answer. Option A most definitely is your correct answer. First question, sir. First question. Now, here, let me just give you a thing. 1 or 2 questions might have some mistaken options. But again, I have to cross-checked. I don't think so. Next one, sir. Second question. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 minus this. So again, I told you, auto rationalization happens over here. So it will be, the denominator will be root 2 minus 1 into this. Then, sir, it will be, sir, root 2 plus 1 whole square minus root 2 minus 1 whole square. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square is 4AB, sir. By, this is root 2 minus 1, root 2 square minus 1 square. So again, your answer is 4 root 2, sir. Option number C is your correct answer over here. Option number C is your correct answer. Very simple question. Very simple. Next one, sir. They have given you something and they are asking the value of this. Sir, if I start from here, again, you can put values and stuff. I'm doing it normally. So if you take the whole square both sides, that will be 144, sir. So again, this will be 9x square plus 4y square plus 2 into 3, 6 2s are 12xy. It is 144. Put down the values of xy. Xy is given as 6. So 6 into 12 is 72, gone 72. That's your correct answer, sir. Option number C once again 72. Option number C once again 72. Very simple question, right? Normal calculations. Incomes of A, B and C, they are in this ratio. Acha, all these are PYQs. They spend this much of their incomes respectively. Find the ratio of their savings. Sir, 5 and 4 denominators. So I'll multiply by 20. So 60 rupees, 20 into 2, sir, 40 rupees and 20 rupees. Now, savings. This spend 4 by 5. So save 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 12 rupees, sir. B, sir, spends 3/4. So saves 1/4. 1/4 is 10. C, sir, spends 3 by 5. So saves 2 by 5. 2 by 5 will be, sir, how much? 5 fours are this, 4 twos are 8, sir. This is your ratio, sir, of savings. Now, I can cancel by 2. So 6 is to 5 is to 4 is your correct answer. Sir, option number C once again. C for Calcutta. All last 3 questions we got answered C. Chalo. A and B invest in the ratio, this investment ratio given. A also receives 10% of the profit as managing partner. Total profit is this, find A's share. Sir, A, first of all, this 10% always is over the top, meaning it will be taken first. So 3,000, 10% is 300 rupees. Remaining is 2,700 rupees. That will get distributed into the investment ratio 4:5. So this will be 4 out of 9. So this is 1200 plus 300, sir. 1500 will be share of A. Sir, again, sir, option C. I don't know what happened. All are option C. Chalo, no worries. Next one, please, sir. A is twice as efficient as B. B takes 12 more days than A to complete the same work. Sir, you can do it in two different ways. I'm showing you the basic. Sir, efficiency ratio. B can do 1 unit, A can do 2 units. Right, sir? Twice. B takes 12 days more than A to complete the work. Sir, if A takes T days, B takes T plus 12 days. Think. Think, sir. Right? Now, this is one way to do it. Another, the shorter way will be, sir, this is given as efficiency ratio, sir. Figure out the time ratio from here. So time and efficiency, they are inversely proportional. So ratio will be opposite. So B takes 1 unit more time. A takes one unit, B takes 2 units. So the difference is 1 unit, that is given to you as 12 days. That is given to you as 12 more days. Now, in how many days they will they take while working together? Such, I'm not doing this T. I've shown you a better method. It's just the total work I need now. I need total work, sir. So A takes 12 days to complete, B takes 24 days to complete. A can do 2 units. So total work will be 2 units every day into 12 days, sir, which is 24 units. I'm thinking like this. Now they will complete it working together, sir. 24 units. Who will complete, sir? A and B both are working together, meaning 2 units plus 1 unit. 3 units are being done every day. So the time that they will take working together will be 8 days, sir, which is again option number C. Again option number C, sir. Clear, everyone? Very simple. 2 inlet pipes can be filled this much time. One drain pipe, third pipe, empties in 10 minutes. Simultaneously from empty, how many minutes, sir? Again, all three together. So I'm taking pipe A, pipe B, pipe C. This is outlet, sir. Pipe C is emptying pipe, meaning it's an outlet. So time ratio is 12, 15, 10. So this is TR. ER will be what, sir? Efficiency ratio. Sir, 15 into 10, 150. I'm taking the inverse ratio. Then, sir, 12 into 10, 120. Then 15 into 12, 180. 0, 0, 0 gone. 3 5s, 3 4s, 3 6. This is your efficiency ratio. Total volume will be how much, sir? Total volume I'm taking for A. A can fill 5 liters a minute, takes 12 minutes. This is total volume. Now, who will fill this total volume? All three together. But this is negative, sir. This is negative, sir. Why? Because this is an outlet. So all three open together, their combined efficiency will be 5 plus 4, 9 minus 6. That is 3 units, sir. So they will take 5 fours at 20 minutes to completely fill it. Again, option C. Something is wrong. Yes, Rahul, you have taken that. I guess you have added them. I guess you have added them, brother. Right? Silly mistake. It's not because you don't know. A number when increased by 20% gives 480. Sir, a number increased by 20% meaning it's 120% of the number. That is 480. So number is 100%, which is 400, sir. Again, you don't need pen paper for this. This is the answer, sir. This is the answer, sir. Next one, please, sir. Cost price of an article is 80% of selling price, 4/5. So meaning, sir, CP by SP. CP is 4 rupees if SP is 5 rupees. Find the profit, sir. Profit is 1 rupee out of CP, meaning 4 rupees, 1/4, 25%. 25%. Something is wrong. Every answer is C. Okay, chalo. We have to solve the questions. Whatever is the answer, it's okay. A person sells an article 10% loss. Had he sold for this much more, he would have made a profit of 5%. Sir, both loss as well as profit gets calculated on one simple thing, that is CP. So difference is how much, sir? Can I say 15% difference? 10% loss meaning minus 10, and sir, profit meaning plus 5. So the difference is actually plus 5 minus of minus 10, which is 15% of what? Of CP. 15% of CP is 60 rupees. This is the difference. Sir, CP they are asking, meaning 100% value. Sir, 60 by 15 into 100, which is 400 rupees, sir. Again, answer is C. Again, sir, your answer is 100% C. Clear, everyone? Chalo, we have solved 10 questions, we like less than 10 minutes. Next one, sir. Simple interest is this much per annum is this. Find the time period. Sir, sir, this is 8,000 1/4, meaning this is 25%, sir. Every year I'm getting 5%. How many years, sir? Time period will be 5 years, sir. 5 5s are 25. You don't need pen paper. You don't need pen paper. Chalo. Amount compound interest is this. Sir, very simple. Amount is 12,000, rate of interest is 10%. You should know principal is 10,000. Again, actual method. So 10% is 1 by 10, sir. So if 10 rupees is my principal, 1 rupee is interest, so 11 rupee amount. 2 years, it will be, the ratio will be this, 100 is to 121. 121 parts is equal to this amount part. So what will be the interest? What will be the principal? 10,000. Clear, everyone? Next one, please, sir. Next one, please, sir. Ratio of the speeds of A and B given. A takes 20 more minutes than B. Sir, again, speed ratio and time ratio, they are always inverse if the distance is constant. So to cover the same distance, meaning distance is constant, sir. So difference is one part, that is given as 20 minutes. Time taken by B will be, sir, 3 parts. So the answer will be 60 minutes, 1 hour, whatever. Finally, we got an answer which is not C. Which is not C, sir. Right? Again, 10 seconds each question. Average of first 50 natural numbers is sum of first 50 natural numbers or first n natural numbers is this. So average will be, sir, by n always. So n plus 1 by 2. So 50 plus 1 by 2, sir. That is 25.5. 25.5, again, D is the answer. Clear, everyone? Simple question. Very simple question. Moving on. A 32-liter vessel contains wine and water in the ratio. 8 liters of the mixture are replaced with 8 liters of pure water. What is the ratio of wine to water? Sir, let's do normally. Because it's only one replacement. Sir, wine, water. 3:1, sir. 4 parts is 32, 1 part is 8. So 3 8s are 24-liter wine and 8 liters of water is there. Now 8 liters of the mixture is replaced. Sir, in this 8 liters also, the wine and water ratio will be the same. So wine and water ratio will be, sir, in this 8 liter, I'll say how much? Like 6 liters and 2 liters. So I'm getting out 6 liters, letting out 2 liters. And sir, 8 liters of pure water was added, sir. So this is the ratio now, sir. This will be 18 is to 16 and this, sir, 14, if I'm not wrong. So 9:7 is the wine is to water. Wine is to water they are asking. Option to nahi match ho raha hai. Replaced with 8 liters of pure water. Let me just check. Options एक आधा इधर उधर हो सकता है, sir. 24 minus 6 liters. Pure water I've added 2 liters. 8 to 6, 6 and 8, 14. No, sir, it's correct. So options are a little wrong over here. Okay? Please do it. Please check it. Chalo, next one. Again, a very famous question. Tan A plus B is √3. Tan cancels. This is tan 60. So ultimately the equation is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Sir, A minus B will be how much? Similarly, this is tan 30 degree. So tan cancels. A minus B is 30. So again, 2A is this. A is 45. So B naturally will be 15%. Find A and B. 30, 45 and 15. 45 and 15, option B is the correct answer. Option B most definitely is your correct answer. Again, I'm skipping a few steps if you have noticed, because we are trying to do it very fast. Sir, value of theta when sine 2 theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Sir, how can we do this? Sir, first things first, there are ways to do it normally. So you can write this as 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is a cos 3 theta formula, right? 3 minus 4. But the problem is that I don't want to do all those because there will be a cubic equation and like whatnot. Put the values. It also happens. Either you can put the values, or what you can do, sir. One more thing I can do, sir. Can anyone is thinking along this line? Complementary angles, sir. Sine equal to cos. So 2 theta and 3 theta, they are complementary, sir. So 5 theta is 90. So theta will be 90 by 5, which is 18 degrees, sir. Option C once again is the answer. Option C once again. Either you do it like this or you put the values and check. Right? This is a better method. Sir, a simple value putting question. Sine 30, cos 60, both are half. So total is 1. These two are also same. Root 3 by 2 into 2, that is root 3. So 1 minus root 3 is the answer, option A. Again, couple of lines. Not even couple of lines, couple of seconds actually I should say. Sir, 4 sine theta is this. So again, that means from here, tan theta I can easily find. It's a division. It is 3 by 4. Meaning, sir, theta, this is 3, this is 4. This must be 5. Sine theta will be 3 by 5, sir. Cos theta will be 4 by 5. So this will be 5 by 4, sir. Achha, I did not do this. I should have checked this. This is equal to tan theta only. So 3 by 4 is the correct answer, sir. 3 by 4 itself is the correct answer, sir. Directly. Next one, sir. Top of a 10-meter tall tower. The angle of depression of a car on the ground is this. Find the horizontal distance, sir. 30 degrees, sir. This is the car. 10-meter tall. Ground distance will be, sir, opposite is 1 unit and this is 60 degrees, sir. Opposite will be root 3 units. So 1 unit is 10. So root 3 units is 10 root 3 meters, sir. Option number C. Option number C, 100% is your correct answers. Simple. Two equal chords of a circle each subtend an angle of this much at the center. Find the angle between two chords, their point of intersection. Acha, sir. Two equal chords of a circle subtend at angle this. Find the angle between their intersecting. Okay, chalo. They have to be intersecting, sir. Otherwise, this question makes no sense. So let's say this is one chord. Another chord must be equal. Looks something like this, let's say. Okay, they are equal, I'm assuming. Why? Because they are subtending an angle 60 degree at the center. 60 degree at the center, sir. Ruko ek second. Looks something like this. Okay. Find the angle between the chords at this angle they are asking, sir. Now, let me just say one thing. If you join them, the angles are both are 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. Okay, and they are asking you to find that angle, right? Just a second. Let me think. Arey, this is very simple. If they are asking you to find this angle, sir, this triangle only will help you. This triangle itself is enough, sir. This triangle, please understand, everyone. This is 60 degrees, sir, and these two are equal. So they must be, sir, 60 each again. So all are equilateral triangles. Sir, answer will be 60 degree only. Answer will 100% be 60 degree. I should have made the diagram a little bigger. So both are actually equilateral triangles. Both the triangles that we have formed, both are equilateral. Clear, everyone? Chal. From an external point P, tangents are drawn on a circle. Both the tangents. Chalo, theek hai. So this is one tangent. So let's say this is the other tangent. Okay. PA and PB. PA and sir B. Center is O. APB is 60 degrees, sir. Center O, sir. Find AOB. Find this angle, sir. Sir, again, it's a very simple question. Why? Sir, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. And AOBP, this is a quadrilateral. Total is 360. Out of that, 90, 90, 180 gone. So 180 remaining, 60 gone, sir. So this must be the remaining 120. So total in this way only, it can be what? It can be your 360 degree. So option D is your correct answer. Option D, 100% is your correct answer. Diagonal given area they are asking square. So diagonal is root 2a. So a will be 10. So area will be a square, which is 100. Sir. Again, pen paper nahi chahiye, sir. You don't need pen paper for this. Next one, sir. Lateral surface area of a cone with base radius is this, and slant height also given. Lateral surface area is what, sir? Pi RL. R is 7, L is 14. So this is 28 into 11, sir. 308. Sir, option number C once again is the correct answer. Option number C once again is the correct answer. Again, you could have used 11 multiple. Why I haven't used that? Because 154 is also a multiple of 11. That's why I haven't. 264 is also. 352 is also. All four are multiples of 11. Distance of this point from the origin. So distance from origin will always be. Just think 3, 4. So 3, 4 meaning this is 3, this is 4. So distance will be this distance. So I know 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. So it must be 5, which is option number C, sir. Which is very, very clearly option number C. You see, a very simple set of questions we have solved, 25 questions, and with explanation also it took us 22 minutes. Again, because this is set 1, I have kept the set a little on the easier side. I'll increase the difficulty level a little bit in the further classes. But again, this is what it was. This is what it was. Nothing very difficult, nothing very tricky. A very simple 25 questions. Very easily you will be able to solve this in 15 minutes. And this is the level of the questions that we are expecting. Right? So with that being said, thank you so much. This was a very brief class. Every week I'll take the class. Like every week we'll do one set each round. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I'll see you guys again in the next class. Till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. And if you have loved the session, please do hit the like. Thank you so much.